Bemis Honey Bee Farm. This is where my curiosity led me this past Saturday. Hey y'all, I'm officially a master gardener, and this journey into gardening and farming just keeps growing. One area I've been especially interested in is pollination, how it works, how to support it, and how to bring it to life on our backyard farm. So I started researching beekeeping classes, and that's how I found Bemis Honey Bee Farm. I came here wanting to learn not just about honey, but about how bees could support our small backyard farm through pollination, sustainability, and long term environmental care. Inside, I got a first hand look at what beekeeping really takes. Y'all, it is some work. From the hive setups to the tools to how bees move, organize, work together, it's all really, really fascinating. Bees are like tiny engineers, and everything they do serves a greater purpose. What stood out the most was just how much of our food supply depends on pollinators. Did you know that without them, many fruits and vegetables just simply wouldn't grow? So for me, adding bees to Rucker Farm Co. isn't just a cool project, it's a way to improve our yields, protect the biodiversity, and be a part of something bigger. Now I'm figuring out if and how I'll introduce a hive or two. It'll take some learning, some patience, and definitely some consistency, but I know it'll all be worth it for our garden, our family, and the planet. And if you're on your own journey, whether you're planting a pot on your porch or dreaming of acres of land, just remember this: you don't have to have it all figured out to begin. Let me repeat that. You do not have to have it all figured out to begin. Start where you are. One step, one hive, one seed at a time. Growth always starts small, and nature, she'll meet you right there. Thank y'all for watching.
Also, you notice we had a hive top brick. It's almost universal that people, beekeepers, keep a rock or a brick on top of their hives. And where's Savannah?
Right here.
Oh, right there. I want you to see something. Come over here, Savannah. Let's read these. And now we're taking the outer cover off. It's got a lot of bees on it, so I'm just going to stick it around, just prop it up at the front, so those bees can just fly and walk up into the hive. All right, everybody come look and just see what we see. When we first open a beehive, we employ all of our senses. Our sense of sight, what we see bees. We see that they're going about their business. They're calm and gentle. A buzzing sound. If this hive was queenless, if they had lost their queen, when we first open it up, they'd usually buzz at us. They go, bzzz. Hold your hive tool by 2 fingers like this. It gives your other. You can
Did
see
I cut
this
your video off? I'm sorry.
You can see this pupa right here is pretty far advanced. It's got its legs produced, its eyes are produced. They start out clear and then they're kind of pink and then they turn purple like this. Come here real quick and see this little dot on that pupa there. That's the varroa mite, the parasitic mite that we were talking about. It's a parasite. You see the black dot?
Yeah, I saw it.
Can you see it there?
Not from this side.
Okay,
no.
come around here.